Welcome to Blissful Broadcast. We will show you how to get the best understanding of N1H1 swine flu and its impact on our lives. The specter of influenza has haunted humanity for centuries. Its ability to spread rapidly and cause widespread illness is a stark reminder of our vulnerability to infectious diseases. In recent history, we have witnessed the emergence of a new strain of influenza, the H1N1 swine flu. Influenza, in its various forms, is a constant threat. By understanding the virus's origins, symptoms, and treatment options, we can better navigate the challenges it presents. This video will serve as a guide, empowering individuals to make informed decisions about their health and well-being in the face of this potential threat. What is H1N1 swine flu? Unmasking the virus. H1N1 swine flu is a respiratory illness caused by a specific strain of the influenza virus. This strain, first identified in pigs, gained the ability to infect humans. Like other influenza viruses, H1N1 spreads through respiratory droplets released when an infected person coughs or sneezes. These droplets can travel up to 6 feet, potentially infecting anyone within that radius. The virus infects cells in the nose, throat, and lungs, leading to a range of symptoms. Understanding the nature of the virus and its modes of transmission is essential for effective prevention and control. Origins and symptoms. Tracing the path of a pandemic. The H1N1 pandemic marked a significant event in global health. The virus, originating in pigs, acquired the ability to infect humans and spread rapidly across the globe. Common symptoms include fever, cough, sore throat, body aches, headache, chills, and fatigue. Infants, young children, pregnant women, older adults, and people with underlying health conditions are particularly vulnerable to complications from H1N1 swine flu. Early detection and treatment are crucial in reducing the severity of the illness and preventing complications. The silent threat statistics and studies. The 2009 H1N1 pandemic served as a stark reminder of the potential severity of influenza outbreaks. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, the pandemic resulted in an estimated 68 million cases in the United States alone. Studies conducted during the pandemic revealed valuable insights into the virus's transmission dynamics and the effectiveness of various interventions. Further research emphasized the importance of vaccination in protecting against H1N1 swine flu. By learning from past pandemics, we can better prepare for future outbreaks and protect the health of our communities. When it comes to tackling H1N1 swine flu, early intervention is key. Antiviral medications like oseltamivir Tamiflu play a crucial role in reducing the severity and duration of the illness. These medications work by inhibiting the virus's ability to replicate within the body. Beyond antiviral medications, supportive care is vital for managing H1N1 swine flu symptoms. Getting plenty of rest helps your body fight off the virus. Staying hydrated is also important for managing the illness. Taking precautions to avoid contracting H1N1 swine flu in the first place is equally important. While medical treatments play a primary role in combating H1N1 swine flu, incorporating natural remedies can provide supportive care and alleviate symptoms. Consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can help boost your immune system. Herbal teas, such as ginger tea and chamomile tea, can offer soothing relief from flu symptoms. Gargling with salt water can help soothe a sore throat and reduce inflammation. While natural remedies can be beneficial in supporting your recovery, it's essential to remember that they are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you suspect you have H1N1 swine flu, it's crucial to consult with your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. Preventing the spread of H1N1 swine flu requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing both individual responsibility and collective action. Practicing good hygiene, such as regular hand washing, is crucial. Covering your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing helps prevent the spread of respiratory droplets. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth as much as possible. If you are feeling unwell, it's essential to stay home to avoid infecting others. Staying informed about the latest recommendations from health authorities is crucial in staying one step ahead of the virus. The power of hand washing. a simple yet effective shield. In the fight against infectious diseases like H1N1 swine flu, hand washing emerges as a simple yet powerful weapon. When we wash our hands with soap and water, we create a lather that lifts away dirt, grease, and most importantly, germs. The recommended duration for effective hand washing is at least 20 seconds. Make hand washing a regular habit, especially after using the restroom, before eating, and after being in public places. Encourage children to adopt this healthy practice from a young age. Vaccination, your best defense against H1N1. Vaccination stands as one of the most significant achievements in public health, offering a powerful shield against infectious diseases like H1N1 swine flu. Vaccines work by introducing a weakened or inactive form of the virus into the body, triggering an immune response without causing illness. This immune response prepares the body to fight off the actual virus if encountered in the future. When a significant portion of the population is vaccinated, it becomes more difficult for a virus to spread, as there are fewer susceptible individuals to infect. By getting vaccinated, we are not only protecting ourselves but also safeguarding the health of our communities. Staying healthy, a holistic approach. Maintaining good health is an ongoing journey that involves more than just avoiding illness. By nurturing our bodies and minds, we can bolster our immune systems and enhance our overall resilience against infections like H1N1 swine flu. One crucial aspect of staying healthy is getting enough sleep. Regular physical activity and managing stress are equally important. By prioritizing sleep, exercise, stress management, and a balanced diet, we can fortify our body's defenses and navigate the challenges of life with greater resilience. Conclusion: a call for vigilance and wellness. The specter of influenza, with its ever-evolving strains like H1N1 swine flu, serves as a constant reminder of our vulnerability to infectious diseases. However, knowledge, preparedness, and a commitment to wellness empower us to navigate these challenges and safeguard the health of ourselves and our communities. By understanding the origins, symptoms, and treatment options for H1N1 swine flu, we equip ourselves to make informed decisions about our health. We embrace the power of prevention, adopting practices like hand washing, vaccination, and social distancing to mitigate the spread of the virus. By embracing these principles, we can navigate the challenges posed by influenza and other infectious diseases, creating a healthier and more resilient future for generations to come. A big shout out to our new subscribers. You are the cornerstone of this channel, and we thank everyone for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Blissful Broadcast for more informative content. Together we can stay informed and healthy.